In this video, we're going to create a frequency distribution table in Microsoft Excel.
Okay, so here I'm in Excel and I have some data here. This is some average wait time. I also have predetermined the bins that I want this data to fall into in my distribution. So as long as you have these two pieces of data, you can easily create a frequency distribution in Excel. And to do that, you just need to click on the Data tab, use the Data Analysis tool, find histogram, and start putting this data in, these parameters. So the input range would be my average wait time. The bin range will be my bins, and you want to put these in a column in ascending order. And I'd like for my data to show up on this sheet, so I want it to go on H2. You could also create a new worksheet and name it right here, or have a new workbook open up with this selection. So I only want the chart, so I'm just going to select cumulative percentage. That will add the cumulative percentage column, and let's see what we get. Okay, so there's a frequency distribution table. Now if you just so happen to want a chart, you would just go through the same steps. Just make sure you have the chart clicked here. And let me select the new output range. There we go. So yeah, if you really want the chart with the data, you can have that as well. Alright, this is the end of the video. If you have any comments, go ahead and make one. And I'm going to be leaving, if I have any resources related to this topic, I'll leave some links in the description. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.